Ethan American Family Style.
Yeah, today
Tie-dye.
we are going to do tie-dye.
You remember we did
So
we already did the what?
Skittles.
Oh, the Skittles last
I
time?
did the Skittles last time.
No,
Yeah.
not tomorrow. We did it right now.
Yeah,
Now we're doing this.
now we're doing this. It's a tie-dye. We're gonna make this a plain white shirt. Beautiful.
Yeah, we're gonna make it be dyed.
እሺ ተመልካቾች እንግዲህ ለዛሬ ይዘንላችሁ የመጣ ነው ታይዳይ የተባለውን የቲሽርት በላስቲክ የእጅ ላስቲክ ተቋጥሮ ከለር ተደርጎ የሚሰራውን ቲሽርት ነው። ከፋሚሊ ጋር እንዴት አድርገን እንደምንሰራው እናሳያችኋለን። እዚህ ጋር እየበጠበጥን ነው። ከዚህ በኋላ ያው ከበጠበጥን በኋላ ስናስራው ስንጠቀለው እንደዚሁም ቀለም ስናደርግበት ታያላችሁ ማለት ነው። በትዕግስት ተከታተሉን። እንደምትወዱት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ከወደዳችሁት ያላችሁን አስተያየት ኮሜንት ስጡን። Thank you.
But first, what we have to do is you need water to rinse.
You're supposed to wash them. We're just gonna let them down and drain them a little bit.
Yeah, we're just gonna make it let it soak.
Yeah.
A little bit
Let them
sweet.
finish.
So, all you need is this white shirt, little warm water, and then
warm water, people.
so as you can see, I'm not, really washing it. The washing part is for only to
Shrink it.
downsize it. Yeah.
So it's once
So.
you do wash it, it's the correct.
Yeah. So here's Heavenly, and
This
here's
is mine.
Camille. So,
Are we supposed to do it inside out, or that was only the other one?
oh, that was only the other one. Yeah. So all we're gonna do,
That are mine and yours are
Just-
the same.
soak it and squeeze it.
But yours
so
is, but your hand is
I
bigger
was
than
like,
mine.
soak it.
Okay, you want to move that tub?
Toby
Yes.
So we got room.
Yes.
Toby
Are you what design were you on, Bubs? The double spiral.
So Heavenly wants to do.
So we have to do the X.
Heavenly wants to do the double
We
spiral.
did like the
At the first time, be patient with us.
yes.
Stay tuned. I hope you like this.
Fast forward. Like he did.
So, what we're gonna do have?
That seemed easy. Easy
Yeah.
than
I
you
know
made it
this.
look.
Yeah. So
What
I
did
think
we do next?
he start
I thought
spinning.
we spun right here.
Yeah, right here.
That's,
No.
that's where we spun, like literally right here.
Oh no.
Well,
it's
we'll
right
see.
here.
I don't think so.
Yes.
It was right there, I think.
So we're gonna
You
spin
wanna
it right
move it
here
again?
since we wanna do the
Redo?
double spiral.
So we use
We're
like
gonna
the
start
butter.
right here. One.
I thought it was right here.
This is our first time. Even if we mess up, guys, it's okay. And then on this side, we're gonna go,
The
you know,
nipple.
right above
I think you're
the
off.
nipple.
That butter.
Like right here.
So we're gonna go this way.
You see where my fingers? I think it's right there.
We're gonna spin it.
It's wet.
Keep going, keep going. Okay, good. Easy, easy, easy.
And then we're gonna still keep going
We did it.
like that, right there.
Boys are in
It's not a race, bro.
I know. Rubber bands.
So we did that way, and we did
It's a
this one
race,
this
guys.
way.
It's seriously a race, not.
It's seriously not a race, huh?
It's a race.
So right here, what you do is just
It is a
it's
race.
just crumble
is
it.
a race.
Don't crumble. I kind of went this way.
You kind of went that way.
Yeah.
Okay,
I guess we'll see the different designs. You do it that
okay.
way. We'll do it this way. Yeah.
it's okay. Yeah. Doing?
Rubber band time.
Okay, so we can kind of fix
I
it
think
with
so.
our-
I think he did that.
I
Rubber
think
band.
we gotta
And
work
then now-
together. So you do the rubber band and pull it,
Where do I put
and
it?
we're gonna go like this. I think right through the middle. So like that. So
As you can see, we are looking like this. So we kind of crumble this, and then we're gonna go
What?
under
lift up. No, this side. Just this side.
and boom, right there. So I'm just gonna do one between the spin.
That's what we did. Each spin. Yeah.
Oh, right,
This side.
holding right
Just
here.
lift up the only this side. Yeah. You gotta.
And then
Okay, good.
እሺ እንግዲህ እንዳያችሁት ቲሸርቱን እንደዚህ ካጠማዘዝ ነው በኋላ በረበር ባን ወይም ደግሞ ፕላስቲክ በሆነ ላስቲክ እናያይዘዋለን ማለት ነው። ከዛኛው ሳይድም ከዚህኛው ሳይድም ያረግን መሃል ላይ ያስገባን። ይሄንን ካደረግን በኋላ የምትፈልጉትን አይነት ከለሮች ማለት ነው ቅድም ሚክስ ያደረግናቸውን ቲሸርቱ ላይ በማንጠባጠብ እንተናለን። እኛ የፈለግነውን ስፒን ነው ዛሬ ትራይ ያደረግነው። እናንተ ግን በምትወዱት እንደዚሁም ደግሞ በመረጣችሁት ከለር መስራት ትችላላችሁ። ይሄ የመጀመሪያችን ነው፣ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ እንደገና የተጠቀምነው ደግሞ ፔንትና እንትን ማቴሪያሎች ከዋልማርት ነው የገዛ ነው። ሜቢ እንደምንፈልገው ሱፐር ናይስ ላይሆን ይችላል። እስቲ እንግዲህ ለማንኛውም እንደዚህ አድርገን ሰርተናል። ውጤቱን አብረን እናየዋለን። እዚህ ጋር ልጆቹ ናቸው የሰሩት። ከዚህ ቀጥሎ ደግሞ እኔና ባሌ ዝም ብለን ከለር ስናረገው አሳያችኋለሁ። በጣም እንደምትወዱት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ለምን ይሄ ዋናው ፐርፐዙ ምንድነው? እኛ ከፋሚሊያችን ጋር ከልጆቻችን ጋር የተለያዩ አክቲቪቲዎች የተለያዩ በቃ ክሪኤቲቭ መሆን ትችላላችሁ ቤታችሁ ውስጥ በሚገኙ ነገሮች። እንደዚሁም ደግሞ በቀላሉ በጣም ቺፕ በሆነ ዋጋ ልትገዟቸው የምትችሏቸው የፋሚሊ አክቲቪቲዎች ስላሉ እንደዛ አድርጋችሁ መስራት ትችላላችሁ። ፐርፐዙ ፈን ማድረጋችሁ በተለይ በዚህ ኳረንቲን ታይም እንዴት አድርገን እናሳልፋለን ብላችሁ ዲፕረስ ላለመሆን ይሄ እንደ አይዲያ ይሆናል ብዬ አስቤ ነው የሰራነው። እንደዚህ ካደረግን በኋላ ላስቲክ ውስጥ ከተነው እናስቀምጠዋለን። ዳይሬክሽኑ የሚለው ምንድነው? ላይ ያለው መመሪያው እንደዚህ ከቀለሙን ካደረጋችሁ በኋላ ላስቲክ ውስጥ አድርጋችሁት ከ6 እስከ 8 ሰዓት ይላል። እኛ ግን ከ6 እስከ 8 ሰዓት ስንቆይ ስለሚመሽ ልጆቹ የሚተኙበት ሰዓት ስለሚደርስ ምን አደረግን? አያስቀመጥ ነው ሌሊቱን ሙሉ ተኝተው ሲነሱ ጠዋት ላይ ነው የምትከፍቱት ብለናቸው ነው ያደረግነው። ላስቲክ ውስጥ ከከተታችሁት በኋላ ቀን ከሆነ የሰራችሁት ከ6 ሰዓት እስከ 8 ሰዓት እንደየቀለሙ አይነት እንደዚሁም ደግሞ ካርቶኑ ላይ እንደሚሰጣችሁ መመሪያ አይነት ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። እኛ ግን ልጆች ስለሆኑ ከሰዓት በኋላ ስለሆነ የሰራነው ሲነጋ ነው የሚያዩት። ውጤቱን እንግዲህ አብረን ነው የምናየው። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ እንደሚታያችሁ እኔና ባሌ የፈለግነውን አይነት ቲሸርት ዲዛይን እያደረግን ነው። የራሳችንን ልጃችን እያገዘችን ነው። ብዙን ጊዜ ልጆች ማንኛውም ነገር ላይ የራሳቸውን ነገር ሰርተውም ቢሆን እናንተ ደግሞ ስትሰሩ ኢንቮልቭ ስታደርጓቸው እናንተን ሄልፕ ሲያደርጉ ሲረዷችሁ አይዲያ ሲሰጧችሁ እኛ ብቻ እነሱን ማስተማር አይደለም የሚጠበቅብን፣ እነሱም እኛን ሲያስተምሩ እሺ ብለን መቀበል አለብን። እንዲህ ያረጋችሁ ፈን አድርጉላለው። ጨርሰናል እንግዲህ እኔና ባሌም ሰርተን ያው የኔን ቲሸርት መገመት አያቅታችሁም ከከለሩ ማለት ነው ምን አይነት እንደሆነ። ባሌ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ያው ፓንቱን ይዞ መጣ ያስቀኛል። እስቲ ፓንቱን ከለር ላይ ያረግ ነው። እኔ ደግሞ ይሄንን እስቲ እንዲያስቃችሁ አዳርጌዋለሁ። ተከታተሉ። ለማንኛውም ስለምታዩን እናመሰግናለን። stay tuned. funny.
All right, this is after more than 8 hours. So
more than 8 hours and 6 hours.
Yeah, now it's morning.
Now it's morning. Let's take it out
And see how it looks like.
and take all of the rubber bands off.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to see this, guys.
Me
Me
too.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna see how it turns out.
Yeah, if it's a rainbow, we will love it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
I hope this is good.
I think it's gonna look good.
Yeah.
And I'll take this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's not
Oh, I got 2.
It's not waste taking the rubber bands off, right?
Yeah.
It's this not competition. It's this nothing. It's this with this seeing how it looks like, right?
Yeah.
But if at this really important doing a competition, then we have to race.
Okay, Khalil, put it. Whoa! Put it in front of your face so we can see. Oh my God! Look at that spiral. Whoa! That looks awesome, guys.
I know.
Yeah. Can you put it on the table, Bob, so we can see? Look at that. Here, I'll move this for you here. You guys did an awesome job.
Thanks.
We did
Spiral.
pretty good, huh?
Can I take
Where's the spiral?
The spiral is right here.
Okay.
Yeah, I
and
think
right
it's
here.
dark green. Yep, and then up there.
What? I want to see how. What?
What do you guys think?
It's good.
Yeah. It's
I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
I like how Khalil stays on the bright side or more colors, and I like how heavily did a lot of pink and purple.
Oh, it's on this side.
We can't.
And
This is the right side.
There's more spiral. Oh,
That was the right side.
oh,
'Cause
look
this
at
was
those.
back.
Yes, the other one is back.
We can't wait, right?
Yeah, we gotta rinse it.
Yeah.
We gotta wash it after we rinse, and we'll let it dry, and we'll see how it turned out. I mean, I think it turned out good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Wow. Good job, guys.
Thanks.
Yeah. We're gonna wash it off now.
ያው እንግዲህ የኔና የባሌ ደግሞ አሁን እየከፈት ነው። የኔን መገመት አያቅታችሁም። ከከለሩ ቅድም እንደነገርኳችሁ ገምታችኋል ብዬ ነው ማስበው። ያው አገሬ በጣም ወድ ልጅ ነኝ እና የአገሬን ባንዲራን የሰራሁት I love the color በጣም ነው የወደድኩት። እስቲ ደግሞ አጥበነው አድርቀነው እንዴት ምን እንደሚመስል ደግሞ አብረን እናየዋለን።
Hello, we are back. As you can see, this is how our t-shirt turned out. Yep. Yeah, what do you guys think?
I think it's good.
And guys,
Uh-huh.
I'm even wearing my mom's shoes.
Yes, she is wearing my high-heeled shoes.
And we did a double spiral.
Yes, we did. We did the devil spiral. It's like spin, circle. So this is how it turned out. I love my shirt. As you can see, I did my flag, Ethiopian flag. I'm from Ethiopia.
And my dad is from Ethiopia too.
Yep, it's a rano t-shirt. This is how
You
it
made
turned
an
out.
organ. Oh.
አረንጓዴ ቢጫ ቀይ የሀገሬን ባንዲራ ነው የሰራሁት።
A Ethiopian flags.
Yep, that's right. This is our flag. All right, so what do you guys think? Whose t-shirt is the best? As you can see, Daddy has the coolest shirt ever.
Me.
It's a little short for him.
It's perfect size. I'm gonna wear it to the beach.
Fire to the beach.
Guys,
Hey, hey,
Yeah.
I want to say something.
Okay.
You like daddy's, I Khalil's, I mom's, I mine.
Which one do you like? የትኛውን ነው የወደዳችሁት እያለች ነው?
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Yep.
Like mine,
Come.
me.
Like mine. All right, that was for today. Since we used a little cheaper dye,
And
the
guys,
color I didn't think it turned out good, but next time we'll try a different brand color. Maybe we'll see how the other one will turn out. Then we'll try something new with the new items, new stuff. It's gonna be exciting. We're not gonna just make a t-shirt. All right. Thanks for watching. If you are new, watching us for the first time, don't forget to
subscribe and hit the notification bell this way or this way. And also subscribe up or